One of my favorite things is seeing cardinals hanging out underneath one of the bird feeders. Usually can't get a good recording of them because they fly away every time I grab my camera. But here's one time where I got it. It's hanging out down in the snow. Probably because the other birds knocked down the seed. So at least there's some to be gotten from down below.